Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Guys, this is what I'm doing for last few hours. It's really annoying weeds in this part of the land. I must remove these weeds to prepare this land for the next harvesting season. If I do not do it, it will grow very large and huge in size. So it is better to remove these now instead of waiting for a few months. So actually, as I was doing, it's getting cloudy, guys. I think it's gonna rain in a few hours because it's coming towards me. You can see. Well, I think it's gonna take almost few days to complete this work, and that's it for today, guys. And that's it. I think I'm gonna enjoy this day because it's gonna rain.